My name is Nancy Fuhrmann. I'm a process controls engineer for Domtar in Nakusa, Wisconsin. We use the service department quite a bit. They come in and we have a contract with them yearly, and I'm always happy with the service. They're very dedicated, they're professional, and they have the same work ethic that we have at the mill. It helps when something goes wrong and we have to have somebody there right away to help us get running again. Having that service contract adds value. We call, they get us somebody there within a day. By having service people able to come in right away, it reduces the amount of downtime that we have, so that adds value. We can get things fixed right away. The ABB guys are very safety conscious. We have our safety stuff that we go through when they come to our mill, but then they also have their own set of safety stuff that they'll go through after we've done ours before they start a job. Our maintenance people, it helps because usually when things are down, our maintenance people are busy elsewhere. They don't always have time for DCS issues, so it does help us to have a service contract and have people come in for that. We can use our service contract for preventive, we can use it for updates, we can use it for hardware or software failures, or even for just training if we need it. Domtar as a whole has a corporate policy on cybersecurity, so we deal with our corporate IT, and they are working with ABB to make sure that all of our sites have the proper security. We have had a fingerprint study done for optimization in our causticizing and bleach plant areas. We've been able to upgrade our Infi90 system to the new Symphony Plus, and we utilize our service guys to do that since they're more familiar than the people in our own mill. And the work gets done and gets completed in the time that we allot them, and they get it done right. Well, usually when we're doing cabinet upgrades, the entire mill or the entire area is down, and our mill people are being utilized for other things